Tired of dealing with clunky banking apps, hidden fees, and endless paperwork? Ever thought about ditching your traditional bank for something simpler, smarter, and more modern? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into how to make Monzo your main account. Let's face it, our money is a big part of our lives. It's how we pay for everything from rent to that avocado toast you love so much. So, why not have a bank that actually makes managing your money enjoyable? That's where Monzo comes in. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why you might want to make the switch. Maybe you're tired of those overdraft fees that pop up out of nowhere, or perhaps you want better control over your spending. Or maybe you just want a bank that doesn't make you feel like you're talking to a robot. Whatever your reason, we're here to help you decide if Monzo is the right fit. So, what exactly is Monzo? It's a mobile-first bank that's been shaking up the traditional banking industry. With its sleek app, easy-to-understand features, and a focus on customer experience, Monzo has quickly gained a loyal following. But is it really all it's cracked up to be? Let's break it down. First, we'll explore the key features that make Monzo stand out. From its budgeting tools to its instant notifications, we'll show you how Monzo can help you take control of your finances. Then, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of switching your main account to Monzo. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. We'll also tackle some common questions and concerns about making the switch. What about direct debits? How do you handle salary payments? Can you still use cash? We've got you covered. And for those of you who are a bit hesitant, we'll share some real-life stories from people who made the switch and never looked back. But wait, there's more. We'll also dive into some of the advanced features that Monzo offers, like pots and joint accounts. These tools can help you save for specific goals or manage your finances as a couple. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether or not Monzo is the right choice for you. You'll know exactly how to make the switch, and you'll be equipped to take advantage of all the amazing features Monzo has to offer. So, are you ready to simplify your financial life? Let's dive in and discover if Monzo is the answer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.